I will be showing you my makeup collection, skincare collection, as well as my studio where I record my videos. So if you want to see this, then continue watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time that I post a video. So let's get into it right away. But first, I'm going to be changing camera so you can see what I'm doing. And of course, I'm going to explain you everything to the makeup that I have, my setup, and also all my equipment that I'm using currently to do my videos and how to edit them and everything. So make sure to watch this video to know my little secrets and how I record and where I record as well. So hello beauties! So this setup is a little bit different. Of course, I am holding my vlogging camera, which I didn't use in so long. Of course, it was my little secret. I had a vlogging channel for a while, but we stopped because we didn't have the time. But of course, later on, I'm going to be vlogging more and maybe create another YouTube channel, but that's not for today and that's not for now yet. So what I'm going to do now, like I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you my makeup collection, and I will also show you everything that I own in my studio to record and where I record in particular. So I wanted to start off with, I am currently filming with the Sony A5100, and also I'm going to be using external audio, which is the Snowball, which I bought a while ago, so I'm going to be showing you that. This is the microphone that I'm going to be using, and also I am recording this on my laptop, so the lighting may change a little bit because it's not the same as just staying in focus and staying at the same. So this is what I look like. I have a little tripod, as you can see, and I have my camera right here. But of course, what I want to do first is jump right into this makeup collection, and that's what we're going to do right now. I don't own a lot of makeup in particular. Of course, I'm going to be showing you everything. I have other makeup coming, but this is going to be in another video, and I'm going to be doing a haul, of course, and I have brushes and stuff coming, and I can add this when I change my setup and everything. So I'm going to start off with my makeup that is on my table and how I set everything up. So this is the table that I record on. Of course, you can see all the things. It is a little cramped right here, but that's what I use to record everything that I do in the studio. And of course, it is in my bedroom. So as you can see, this is our bed. I put a lot of things in the back to really cover up all the sound and everything. But that's my table, and that's what I use. I use a plank to put my makeup and my laptop and everything. So everything, I have some space also on the side to use for my makeup. So let's go over there for my makeup collection. I have the Conspiracy, the Mini Breaker. I have also the Huda Beauty, 3 different palettes, and under that I have 2 palettes, which is the 35H Hotspot palette as well as the James Charles palette that is right there. I also have 2 tapes. Those are medical tape that I had for the longest time. You can buy this at the pharmacy. It is the best to have some lines when you do your makeup. So also we will jump right into the Conspiracy palette, which is this one right here. I have some essential oils that I can put on my table if I want a good smell and relax. Of course, this is my sponge, which I don't use anymore. I don't really like it. I have a puff with my water weight pressed powder from MAC, and I have my blushes plus my Morphe finishing powder, and I have my bronzers, and I have this e.l.f. primer that I had for such a long time. Also, all my highlights are in the same area. Of course, this is not a highlight. This is the Peach Perfect setting powder. I have this highlight, which is from Maybelline, the Jeffree Star Cosmetics highlight, Artist Couture, Jaclyn Hill, and I have the Moonchild palette right under there. And I have some lashes right here, which is the Miami Lily lashes, and some from AliExpress as well. A little brush too. So then you jump right onto my decks. This is something that I ordered a while ago, so I'm going to be doing a video on that. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You're going to know in the video. This is a Jeffree Star mirror that I don't really use anymore, just because I feel like it's too big. The camera just focuses on it, and it's frustrating as well. I do have all my foundations here. So I have this Born This Way from Too Faced. I have this Makeup Revolution foundation and concealer. I have some samples right here from Huda Beauty. I have a little primer here. This is the Smashbox primer. and some creams and stuff. So you know, it's all a little bit everywhere, but it's there and I know where it is. Also in the back right here, I have in this thing, I have some glitters and it's really nice. If not, I have this Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, which is my favorite. And right there, I have 2 setting sprays from Morphe. And then you go all the way to the liquid lipsticks and everything. So I have these Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick, the mini versions. I have the Bullet, whatever, I don't remember the name, but let me check it out. And yummy. Anyways, this is really sheer, but I like it because it's purple. I also had this for the longest of time, which I don't really use anymore. This is like a balm with color. It is from L'Oreal. And I have these 2 MAC lipsticks and the Too Faced Sex on the Peach lipstick, which I absolutely hate, by the way. And you go right here and I have all my liquid lipsticks, my lip liners. I have the MAC lip liner. I have some Jeffree Star ones, some drugstore ones, Huda Beauty, and I also have bigger from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I have these Kat Von D's, which I had for the longest of time. And in this little thing right here, I also have everything that is brow, eyes. So I have my lash curler right here, Huda Beauty Life Liner. I have this NYX white liner that I use for my eyes. I have a bunch of stuff, mascara, brow gel, everything. You know, like this, you can see it in my videos. I also have mascaras, and this is another concealer that I have, which I want everything to be packed and nicely placed, just because I don't have a lot of space, like as you can see on my desk. So that's one thing that I want to do. So next I have my brushes, which I'm gonna have a little bit more later on, but these are all my eye brushes. And then I have not a lot, but these are my face brushes that I use. I have my little thing. This is skincare that I use every single day when I clean my face, when I need to moisturize my face and everything. So, and I have this right here. This is to clean my brushes. There's a little water and some alcohol in it when I really need to clean my brushes and sanitize them. And in the back I have some hand cream and I have some lip balms as well. I have my coffee, which is the thing that I like the most. And then you get to my mirror. Hi, I bought it on Amazon, and I have these things right here which are really cute. I have my crystals. I have something shiny because I like shiny things. So like this is a hair thing. This is a hair thing. Anyway, this is a hair thing too. I just think it was cute and I really like it. So this is for my lip liners, and I have all my tweezers and my scissors for my eyebrows and to put my lashes. Whoo! Right, so now what we'll do is I'm gonna show you inside my drawers. Anyways, inside a plastic thingy that I have, I'm going to show you what I have. I'm going to really go quickly over it because I have a lot of stuff, and you know, sometimes it's only boxes, and I just want to show you how I organize my stuff and how I kept everything clean since I don't have a lot of space. Like I told you, it's in my bedroom. So this is really nice. And after that, we'll jump right into the studio part of it. All right, so like I said, I have this plastic thingy that I use. I'm going to show you what it is. And it is quite heavy. I do have a lot of skincare right there. So everything that I have is, I have these from Hero Cosmetics when they send it to me. I have toners, micellar water. I have some things to clean myself, some sunscreen, a lot of things from The Ordinary, elf masks. So, and then I have Celine Dion, little cleansers and stuff. Sunscreen again, maskamizer to prep my skin for the mask. I have a lot of perfume right there, and of course it goes all the way inside. I have other stuff for sure, but that's a lot of things. So that is how I keep my skincare in check. Then here is where I keep all the makeup that I don't really use on a daily basis, and I keep all my boxes to make sure that when I travel I can put them back in the box and everything is nice. Also have my other stuff, you know, documents and stuff that I don't really use that particularly. And of course the microphone that my cat ate, so but that's okay, I have a new one now. And then we jump into the hair products, which is what I use for my hair. I have a lot of Kevin Murphy stuff right there. I know the lighting is pretty bad. I'm really sorry about that. It doesn't go all the way there. But I have my curler. I have my straightener, Kevin Murphy, everything Kevin Murphy, and my dry shampoo also, my brushes. That's about what I have for makeup, for skincare, and for hair. So I know it was a little quick tour, but now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go show you what I have for my studio. So this is my setup. I have my computer right here, like I said earlier, for my audio. It is currently recording my audio, so that's really nice. I use DaVinci Resolve as a software for editing, and I use this microphone, which is the Snowball. Right now it is the blue Snowball, and this is the box that I use to put my microphone on it, just because it is not high enough and I want to have a nice audio when I record. So you don't need to have like a tripod or anything. You can just use the box that comes with it. That's a trick that I can give you. And also I have my little step here that I use to sit down. This is from IKEA. It was in the As-Is section. You don't have to buy anything that's really new. This also is, my table is from IKEA, and what I like about it is that there is some wheels on it. So if you look, there's some wheels, and I can just move my setup whenever I need to be closer to the camera, which is right over there. And yeah, so even my mirror, like you can see, I have this box which is from my rock light, so I use this for my mirror, so it's at the right angle. And also I have this right over there, which is to hold my phone when I do a live on Instagram, or if I do a live on Periscope. And also this is from the dollar store, so like I said, you don't need anything expensive to have this. I'm gonna show you, this is my background. I'm kind of a little far. Just gonna sit down. So this is my background. I have, this is from Amazon, of course. Everything's gonna be linked down below. And this is the things for my lights. Of course, the one thing that you see at the top, this is to clean my brushes. I kept it there just because, yeah, I didn't want it to be on the desk because it would look really bad. But yeah, so that's what it is, my background. I bought the background, the tissue on Amazon, and also the frame as well. So it's really cute. There's some clips on it, which is nice. I bought this light recently on Amazon, and I bought it with a tripod, but the tripod is gonna arrive like May 11th, so I have to put it on a chair. So DIY. So if you don't have the money for a tripod, you can just use a chair for your background light, and that's what I use for background light. And I also use the light from the roof to make sure that my lighting is perfect. Right into these 3 lights. These lights are also from Amazon. They came with the tripod. It is like you can buy 3, so 1, 2, 3, you buy them together. It's a bundle, and they are like $300 altogether. You have the wires, you have everything, and you have also the bag that comes with it. And the other light too, there's a bag right here that I keep under to make sure that everything is nicely placed. And you have my camera, which I hope you can see there. This one right here. So this one is the Canon T7i. We bought it secondhand. And the tripod that I have right there, I already had it for the longest of time. It was my parents, and they lent it to me, so that's really good. That's the camera that I use. I bought the lens off Amazon as well, because I bought the camera without a lens. And yeah, so these lights are from Newer. So the brand is Newer. I'm gonna show you. And then for noise canceling, because we are in a room where there's basically no insulation at all. It isn't an apartment. So I use this cover that I put on top of my door, and it cancels out so much noise. Also, the bed really helps with the noise. It's really nice. And I have this window right there where you can see outside, and I have some sunlight coming in. So that's really, really awesome. So that's my setup. Yeah. I don't know, what do you think? I don't have a big setup. It's just, it's nice, you know. my vlogging camera, which I showed you in the mirror. This is my microphone, all my makeup. I don't really have a lot of things. I just wanted to go over what I had. Of course, everything that I use is gonna be listed down below if you want to go check it out. Those are not affiliate links, it's just normal links where you can buy them. I don't have any affiliate links for these types of things, but I just thought that it would be a nice idea to really share with you what I use every single day for, you know, my studio and everything. So I'm not gonna show you anything else of my apartment. I just wanted you to show you my room and everything in it, as well as how I vlog and everything. So if you want me to vlog more and have different angles and stuff, I would really like to do this. I don't know, tell me if you like these types of setups and if you like to see more in the behind the scenes of it. So that's what it is. So that is my makeup collection and my studio. So I really hope that you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below and I will answer them as quickly as I can. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more of those awesome videos. So I post 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday, and if you don't want to miss any video, again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time that I post a video. So I really love you, beauties, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.